Okay, if you want to literally, oh my god, I'm forgetting. Okay, sorry for forgetting. If you want to make good wallpapers and your favorite ringtones, you just need to download this app for free. It's literally free. Zedge, you will find this app. I've already downloaded it. Download it right now. It's so good. Now it's gonna tell you to pay, but you don't need to pay. It's like you don't need to. You want to become premium, then become. So you can choose your own wallpapers like this. So good. So much good wallpapers. Even video wallpapers. You just need to hit apply and you will get these wallpapers. And you can choose your ringtones too. You just need to type them, and like ringtones right here. You can literally choose your own songs.
Good morning, fuckers. Get up. Good morning.
These new songs you could just get from Zedge. So good, right? You can even choose the notification sounds. Wait, I want to change this. Wait. Man, this notification far being like crazy. In the night, I'm just gonna wake up to hearing far. Mario Bros. Sorry for an ad. Oh no! Please, you're disturbing my video. Yeah. What? Oh wait, I'm gonna download this. Set my notification. Oh, okay. I updated it. Now if I get a notification, that sound's gonna come. Okay, download Zedge. It's the best.